Here's exactly how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. First, turn on your PS5 and go to the home screen. Open Settings, the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Network, then go into Settings and choose Set up Internet Connection. Make sure Connect to the Internet is toggled on. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Your PS5 will automatically scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Look for your Xfinity network name SSID in the list and select it. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and confirm. The console will test the connection, and once successful, you're connected. If your network doesn't appear, scroll down and choose Set up manually, then select Use Wi-Fi and either enter your network name and password manually, or choose the WPS button method if your Xfinity router supports it. For WPS, press the WPS button on your Xfinity router first, then select WPS on your PS5 to pair automatically. Once the test completes successfully, your PS5 will be online and ready for downloads, updates, and gaming.